So where am I at with the Charger? As you can see, the wide body rims are on. I haven't gotten the hood yet, and I haven't put the wide body kit on. So as far as outside cosmetics go, all that's needed is the windshield, the red eye hood, and throw this wide body kit on. And cosmetically, I'm alright. I'm finna put a new front door on this as well. So pretty much where I'm at with it. Still running rich, cause I ain't got no O2 sensors. Gucci. I mean, I straight piped it. I got O2 sensors.